Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad to see you here, and if you're new here we do trading and I show you tips and tricks how to do trading successfully, and you just can watch my videos, learn something new, and I'm sure you will be a successful trader as me. So guys, I just want to remind you that I have a closed group where I'm sharing trading signals for free. So if you want to get trading signals exactly from me, just text me a code word signal on my Telegram account. I left the link on the description box. Also, I really need your support and I appreciate all the comments and likes I'm getting. So guys, if you want to support me and if you are new here especially, please subscribe to this channel, put a big thumbs up to this video and turn on notifications so you don't miss my new videos. And let's start trading. Today I'll trade with you using the Bollinger Bands indicator. I already connected this indicator. So the settings are: upper column we set 14, in the lower column we set 2. After that, click Save and our indicator is connected and ready to work. As you can see, it consists of an upper and lower border, and there's also a moving average. The moving average, for example, in a downtrend can serve as a resistance line from which the price pushes off and moves down. Also, reaction occurs from the lower border of this indicator, the price rolls up, but of course it is not necessary to open deals for increase in a downtrend. Also, for example, in an uptrend, the moving average serves as a support line for the uptrend from which there is also a reaction. The price pushes off and moves up. Also, when moving sideways, the indicator helps us to determine the upper and lower limits in the price range, from which it is also possible to open deals to increase and decrease from the upper and lower limits. Also, it is possible to find situations in the market where the price goes beyond our indicator, and in such cases open transactions in the opposite directions. The more impulsive the exit outside the indicator is, the more likely it is that a pullback in the opposite direction will occur. Of course, all of this must be confirmed by technical analysis, and do not forget about support, resistance levels, as well as internal levels. These indicators are an auxiliary tool of technical analysis. Therefore, only a competent combination of technical analysis and the hints of indicator will give us a great result. So we will find the different situations today in the market. In this situation, we see that the price goes beyond our indicator, red candles begin to form. Let's open a deal here for 1 minute for a decrease. I think that in this situation, the reaction will occur from the upper limit of the indicator. The price will continue to move down as the overall price potential is also going down. The price moves quite impulsively and confidently. I think that in this situation, 1 minute here will be quite enough. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Great guys, there was a reaction from the upper limit and the price went down and we make a profit, not a bad start. Let's continue and let's look for another situation on the market. Here we see that the price highs are getting lower. There is a downtrend movement, there is also a support level at the bottom. The price has now reached the upper limit of our indicator. Here I propose to open a deal for 2 minutes to decrease. I think that in the near future the price will continue to move towards the level since the overall potential of the price is going down. I think that in this situation 2 minutes here will be quite enough, and so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, it's quite good, friends. As you can see, the price really continued to move down and we are making profit here. The indicator really told us the upper limit of this pullback from which the price pushed off and continued its moving down. So everything is going great. Let's continue. Here we see a resistance level. We also see that at the moment the price is approaching our level. Also at the moment the price is moving along the highest values of our indicator. In this situation, I suggest opening a deal for 1 minute to decrease. I think there will be a pullback down from the resistance level in the near future. The indicator also tells us that the price has reached the maximum and reversal will occur in the near future. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Great guys, indeed there was a reaction from this level. We are making a profit here with you. Let's continue consider the falling market situation. Here we also have a resistance level. We also see that after the upward movement, the price reached the upper values of our indicator. Let's open a deal here for 1 minute to go down. It is more likely that in the near future there will be a corrective movement, at least a slight pullback down. I think that 1 minute here will be quite enough, since two factors and resistance level and indicator tell us that the reversal point will occur. So in the near future, and in such situation it is more likely that the price will move to the opposite side. So guys, let's wait for them to file a deal. Well guys, it's not bad. The price slowed down a bit, but still the downward movement continued. We are making profit here. These situations worked out themselves perfectly. Let's continue and consider the following market situation. Here we see that after breaking through the level, there was an upward pullback. Also at the moment the price reached the upper values of our indicator, let's open a deal here for 1 minute to go down. I think that in the near future, after confident upward movement, at least a small pullback will come down. Some kind of corrective moment, and as a rule, in such situations 1 minute is quite enough. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Okay guys, what do you think about this result? Indeed, there was a pullback down and we get a good, confident profit. Let's continue and consider the following market situation. Here at the top we have a resistance level. We also see that at the moment there was a good confident upward movement. The price is approaching our level, there is also an upward momentum and the price goes beyond our indicator. Let's open a deal here for 1 minute to go down. I think that after a steady upward movement as well as reaching the upper limits of our indicator and the resistance level, there will be a corrective moment, at least a slight pullback down. And 1 minute here will be also quite enough. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. I definitely like this result guys. There has really been a downward reaction and we are making profit here. Let's open another last deal for today. We have a level of support down here. We also see that there was a confident downward movement here. The price approached our level and went beyond our indicator. We open deal here for 1 minute to increase. There is a high probability that there will also be a corrective movement and an upward pullback. Just at the moment, confident green candles are beginning to form, and I think 1 minute here will be quite enough. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Okay guys, that's great. There has really been an upward pullback and we are making profit here. I already have $4,500 on deposit and I think we end here. As you have seen, all marketing situations worked out perfectly. With the right approach, the strategy works well. Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something new today, and I just want to remind you, if you want to join my closed group where I'm sharing my trading signals, text me a code word signal on my Telegram account. I left the link on the description box. Also, if you didn't put the like to this video, what are you waiting for? Put a big thumbs up to this video and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video guys. Bye!